Cole, Baird, stay here and guard the Centaur. Tom, you come with me.
What's up with that? You expecting an attack on the ghost town?
These days, Baird, you should expect anything. Keep you posted.
So why would they build a base way out here? And what are we looking for anyway?
Not sure. Though I got a bad feeling when we see it.
But if this place has answers, why would they be looking into it now? It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, governments rarely do.
Something's up there. What was that?
Wretches, maybe. Couldn't tell. A lot of open space and rooftops around here. Watch for snipers.
This place doesn't look like an outpost. More like a warehouse.
Probably just a facade. They've obviously been hiding something here.
Yeah, but what?
We'll find out soon enough.
Looks like some stranded might have been here.
Smells like the plumbing's out. This place is a mess. Control, this is Delta. Do you copy?
Delta, this is Command. Do you have something to report?
No. Trying to reach Control.
Control is offline for now, Delta. You'll report directly to Command. Keep us posted. Over.
Roger that. Delta out.
We're screwed.
Welcome to Jameson Depot. Proper identification is required for entry.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm sorry, but proper identification is required for entry. Good day.
Jack, rip the store, pronto. Forget it, Jack. We're gonna have to blow this thing open. Bear, can you get a blast charge ready?
Of course. Regular or extra strength?
Extra strength. We'll recon till you're ready.
Roger, boss man. Baird out.
Let's see if we can find some power. Stay alert.
Flamethrower, sweet. Think it still works?
Never know till you try.
Remember Carmine was always talking about fire? We would have loved that thing.
Yeah. And burned our asses with it. Let's try this out.
Should we try that door again?
Nah, it's not a power issue. It's clearance.
Let's just get back to the Centaur. We got wrenches!
Some kind of security door we need to bypass.
Bypass? You mean you're gonna blow that shit up?
Exactly.
It's all ready, Marcus. Just make sure you get your ass outside of the blast radius. Whatever you do, don't drop it.
Gotcha. We'll let you know how it goes.
Oh, we'll know.
Man, if I knew extra strength was this heavy, I would have asked for regular.
Jack, see what you can do.
Wretches!
Ah, shit! Door sealed! You know what to do! Come get armed and ready.
Identification?
Oh yeah, I got some identification for you.
Access granted. Thank you. Carry on.
Gotta hand it to Baird. He does good work.
Welcome to the New Hope Research Facility. I'm Niles. Please, let me know if I can be of any assistance.
Is that a recording?
I think so.
Actually, I'm not just a recording.
What?
Please, do come in. I'll tell you more about the facility.
Okay. Looks like some kind of workers' quarters.
Or internment camp. Man, this place just reeks of Rome.
Our facility maintains the highest possible standards, I assure you. We take great pride in our work here.
I'm sure you do. Command, this is Delta. Do you copy?
Roger, Delta. What do you got?
We're in the facility, but it's got a few surprises. And I don't think it's abandoned.
Well, it should be empty, Delta. What do you see?
Not seeing, hearing. Some guy's controlling the security systems.
Hostile?
Annoying.
Sounds like you have it under control, Delta. Keep us posted. Command out.
Don't open the door. Don't let all the wretches through. There's another room overlooking this one. Let's see if we can get a clear shot first.
As you can see, we maintain the highest standards of security at New Hope. After all, one can never have too much security.
Well, this
This guy's nuts.
Security system deactivated.
We take great pride in the cleanliness of our facility. Filth will not be tolerated. Thank you for helping to maintain our facility's stellar standards.
This is what you call stellar? You need to raise your standards.
As you make your way through our facility, do let us know if you encounter any conditions that do not meet our
Security
standards.
system enabled.
We aim to please at New Hope. Yes, we do.
Security system deactivated.
I got enough for all you!
Revive me!
Up and at him.
Security system deactivated.
Security, like cleanliness, is next to godliness. Don't you agree?
Is this guy for real?
Security system deactivated.
Up and at him. This shit just keeps getting weirder.
We take great pride in our facility. Filth will not be tolerated. Thank you for helping to maintain our facility's stellar standards.
Security system deactivated.
Marcus, you there?
I read you, Baird. What's up?
Coast is still clear, but looks like this weather's taking a turn for the worse.
Roger that. We'll try to make this quick.
Good empirical scientific research is the foundation of any civilized society. We'd be savages without it. Filthy savages.
Let's do this! Who's next?
Security system deactivated.
As you make your way through our facility, do let us know if you encounter any conditions that do not meet our standards. We aim to keep them
Enemy
Yes.
reinforcement!
We do.
Marcus, this is Mayor. Weather's gone to shit. Feels like Razorville's on the way. If this keeps up, we're gonna have to head inside.
All right, get out of the storm. We'll get back there as soon as we can.
Wilco, there now.
We're gonna have to split up. One of us needs to power down these turrets.
Who gets powered down duty? You or me?
Okay, Dom, get ready.
The COG obviously didn't want anyone getting in here.
All right,
The security's
go.
insane.
Oh, I assure you, our concept of security is quite sane. It's one of the cornerstones of our fine society, after all. Along with proper hygiene, of course.
They got a real fun house down here, don't they?
Holy shit. Definitely not POWs. What the hell are these things?
Some kind of stasis tanks. But what's in them? Those aren't wrenches.
I don't believe that you have access to this part of the facility.
Access, huh? You sure you want to go through that routine again?
Proper access will prevent unexpected and most unpleasant occurrences. I assure you. After all, we don't need you running around and plugging into random computer terminals. Do we now?
Command, this is Delta. Are you getting this?
I see it, Phoenix. But we're not pulling up anything on it. It's like it doesn't exist. Off the record, you are completely in confidential territory now. Your guess is as good as mine.
Roger that. Delta out.
Screwed.
Jack, plug in and see what you can find. Maybe one of these terminals will have some intel on this place. And where the hell we can find the Locust stronghold.
I should warn you, these are state-of-the-art security systems that simply cannot be breached by her.
Keep at it, Jack. Gotta get that info.
Nice one, Jack.
Save the shot. That's what they always say. In this case, we're truly doing it. Or at least we're giving it our very best shot.
What is this?
Sounds like Niles. A little less wacko, though.
The trip to Mount Kadar won't be an easy one. Not by any means. We'll have it move during the night, in the snow. And Chairman McGraw won't even authorize the use of vehicles to transport the subjects.
Subjects? Who's he talking about?
Don't know.
I'll be moving behind a semi-sentient security system to watch over the facility. I would hate for anyone to disturb the Slayer's rest, and we would all like to use the opportunity to study them as they grow up. I'm almost embarrassed to admit that the security system is based off of my personality. But
Jack, what just happened?
What the hell was that?
Nothing good.
I would begin exiting the facility if I were you.